This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively using the Zoom app online. First, let's set up your environment for optimal learning. Find a quiet, well-lit space where you won't be interrupted. A stable internet connection is crucial, so check your Wi-Fi signal strength. Using headphones can significantly improve your audio experience and help you focus better during sessions. These small steps make a big difference. Next, let's talk about active engagement during your Zoom study sessions. Don't hesitate to use the chat feature to ask questions or share insights. It's a great way to participate without interrupting. When you want to speak, use the raise hand function. Keeping your camera on, if comfortable, helps create a more interactive and connected learning environment for everyone involved, enhancing the overall experience. Zoom offers several features to enhance your online study. Screen sharing is excellent for collaborative work, allowing you to review documents or presentations together. Remember to record sessions when permitted. This provides a valuable resource for reviewing complex topics or missed information later. Breakout rooms are perfect for small group discussions, fostering deeper engagement and peer learning on specific subjects. Finally, maintaining focus and well-being is key to successful online study. Schedule short breaks to prevent screen fatigue and keep your mind fresh. Close unnecessary tabs and silence notifications to minimize digital distractions. Remember to stay hydrated and maintain good posture throughout your sessions. These habits contribute significantly to your overall comfort and ability to concentrate for extended periods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.